Retired General Chiwenga is not greedy. When Zimbabwe stood at crossroads in 2017, he did not seize power, he handed it over. That's not weakness. This is leadership. Zvaiva namashoko ari kuda panguva ino achinokwanzi VP Constantine Chiwenga. People might call him he's very greedy, ari power hungry, ari kufaitira kusasira mutungamiri wenyika, or fighting for his political survival. But that's not. This man anonyatso kuziva kuti role yake ndeipi, and unonyatso kumeka sure kuti the integrity of the country and the liberation credentials are restored and maintained. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Napaendo ya third, General Winston Skauki Mabranga anoposta VP Constantine Chiwenga muri kuona kudanyira chiti. He could have taken the presidency. He did not. He could have turned against Mnangagwa. He stayed loyal. He could have bowed to corruption. He chose principle. Retired Chiwenga showed restraint, discipline, and dignity. That's the mark of a gentleman, not a tyrant. Zimbabwe needs leaders who serve, not dominate. General Chiwenga's legacy is still unfolding, but history will remember the man who stepped back when he could have stepped in. No mashoko anobuda kwa panguva ino pamusoro pa VP Constantine Chiwenga, which means people must watch closely and vanyatsoona kuti who is the man to follow. Right now, VP Constantine Chiwenga on another side or another faction of the ruling party ZANU-PF, he is facing criticism. If you take a look in the Politburo, VP Constantine Chiwenga is being attacked, but this man is the man who's made all these people in the Politburo to survive. Otherwise, vaifana kunge vakaoverthrowiwa tisingachazivi nezvavo. Pinda comment section medu dzofungura aim kuti dipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Usaona subscribe or like channel the bell icon.